Okay, Legends, we're going to continue on with learning about how to use Canvas. Our DLC for Lawler has created some student guides to help you if you get stuck when you're working at home and you need help possibly about how to view something in Canvas. So, for example, let's look at viewing announcements right here. So these are all linked out to other docs that you can look at to help give you some guidance. So let's pretend that your teacher posted an announcement on your Canvas shell, and it's about for you to be prepared to talk about a certain topic the next day in class. So let's say that you don't know how to access announcements. You heard through a friend that announcement was made on Canvas, but you don't know how to look at it. So if you go down here to the actual viewing of announcements and you click on the link, and this tells you right here. So how do I view announcements as a student? So you would go to your dashboard, click on the announcement page, and then you can go in and you can see how the announcements can be filtered, how they can be viewed, and things like that. So this click sheet kind of gives you a great way of understanding how to view announcements. Okay, so there's all different types of resources on this page, and so this might be a great page for you to bookmark on your computer or your device. So that way you have this as a handy tool if you do get stuck using Canvas. Okay. The next one we're going to look at is for some how-to videos. So once again, our DLC has created some basic how-to videos. So as we mentioned before, if you're going to be doing virtual academy, all of your assignments are going to be housed really in Canvas. Even face-to-face, some assessments will be given through Canvas. And so let's pretend that you have a quiz that your teacher's giving you through Canvas. But you're not really sure how to access it, what that's going to look like, and things like that. This page also is a great resource for you to get a little bit more guidance. So we're going to click on the quizzes link right here to get some more information. So on this quizzes overview, this kind of gives you a tutorial about how to use quizzes, what it's going to look like on your end. In this video, as you can see, they're short. It's only 2.5 minutes. So you can watch the video about what quizzes looks like on Canvas.
To view quizzes within your course, click the quizzes link.
Okay, so you can click through these and watch some of these at home when you need a little bit more guidance. Okay, so again, I might bookmark this page as well just to help me if I get stuck. Okay, the next one, again, the Frisco ISD Digital Learning Coaches have created a course covering just tech help. And so for you to get access to that course, you can click here. And here are some other links that will just help you with getting just tech support in general. Okay, so your teachers will be posting this presentation to your Canvas course, so you will have access to this entire presentation with all of those links that you can bookmark and save and utilize this school year.